She left her home to find where she belongs. Her mother's scared to leave her all alone. But she got time and she knows what to figure out. This ain't in a dream, a place where it seems that love will come around. So don't stay, you regret it all too much. Just wait, I will find you someday. So the same, yeah, she does not know that everything she got from her. You got time and you know what to figure out. This ain't in a dream, a place where it seems that love will come around. So
Aloha guys, so I just finished my PT. I'm gonna go and check out Walmart. You see how stable my phone is now, that it looks better. It's not like wobbling all over the place when I'm walking. Yeah, I love it. Okay, so let's go and see what's at Walmart and what's not.
she left her home to find where she belongs. Her mother's scared to leave her all alone. But she got time and she knows what to figure out. This ain't in a dream, a place where it seems that love will come around. So don't stay, you regret it all too much. Just wait, I will find you someday. So the same, yeah, she does not know that everything she got from her. You got time and you know what to figure out. This ain't in a dream, a place where it seems that love will come around. So don't stay, you regret it all too much. Just wait, I will find you someday. She left her home to find where she belongs. Her mother's
Hey guys, so I just got home from Walmart and I just bought a house plant. This is what I got. And it says it's good in the house. I don't know what it is, but I got a bigger pot to put it in. So yeah, I thought I'd just get a plant today, give it some oxygen and some color maybe. And I'm just gonna do a vlog today. I'm just gonna be cooking my lunch. let that defrost for a bit and then cook my lunch. I'm hungry again already. But yeah, that's what I purchased from Walmart. Hopefully it'll work out because it's good in the house, it said, and it's good to just like if the sunlight is hitting it from the inside of the house, it's good still like that. Alright, there's a girl. Hello, hello my baby. Hi sweetheart, what you doing?
Everything she got from
What are you doing, sister? Oh, you see the girl? That's her towel over there.
you got time, and you know
What are you doing now? Eat your food. Come on, eat your food here. Hurry.
the scene in a dream.
Friends mail from my sister. It's so hot over here. It's like 86 degrees outside right now. It's hot.
Don't stay.
But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. It's in here.
You regret
For
it
Aiea.
all too much.
We got some of this.
Just
I don't know what is this. Maybe it's like beef jerky.
find you someday.
We got a lot of stuff in here. We got some tea, sports stomach comfort, a lot of
She left her home to find where she belongs.
day cream, hemp stem cell. Ooh, this is nice. We got some, I'm thinking this is toothpaste,
She got time, and she knows
Charcoal.
what to
charcoal cream, very good. We got some pistachio.
Don't stay. You regret it all too much.
We got some more stuff for Diana. She's a lucky girl. Yay, I like this. Toothpaste.
Find you someday.
Got some rice here.
Oh, the same.
Organic rice. That's nice. Some more for another item. Yes, you got some lucky. You lucky girl. You got some treats. I'm gonna give her one of these. It helps some her mobility. And then another one. You lucky auntie send you treats, huh? But yeah, that's what we got today. She don't know, but you don't know you got treats. She knows something going on. She keeps standing here. Let's go and see if she likes it. One per day for the Naturals Joint Rescue with sea cucumber for mobility. Okay, let's go. Here you go, sister. Where are you going to hide them? You're going to hide them. What you gonna do with them? You just gonna take it? Alrighty, she's gonna just take it and hide it. Good job. Okay. There's a thumbs up for her. She liked it. So I'm gonna just put that in for 10 minutes and then flip it and then 10 minutes again. See how that works. And it's at 3:25. Let's close it for now, guys. I'm hungry again. I wait till I'm really hungry and then I go ahead and cook. About this thing here is that when you wash it, it just easiest piece of cookware that I washed. You just wipe it and it just kind of cleans it. I mean, it doesn't get stuck to the pot or anything. But I just flipped over the steak and it's almost done. I'm hungry, okay? Or it's like almost dinner already, but. And then I'm just gonna end my vlog here. I'm gonna do a shout out. I'll just link her channel down below. It's Merced Mendoza. Go check her channel out. She's a good supporter of mine and you'll love all her content. It's really good. I'll leave her link down below. You guys take care. God bless and be safe today. Bye.